To get started with the Ledger Nano S Plus crypto hardware wallet, first, connect the device to your computer using the provided USB cable. Next, go to the Ledger website and download the Ledger Live application, which is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Install the application and launch it. Then select the option to set up a new device. On the Ledger Nano S Plus, press both buttons simultaneously to turn it on. Then navigate to the Settings menu and select the option to configure the device as a new device. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a PIN code, which will be used to secure the device. It is essential to choose a strong PIN code and keep it confidential to prevent unauthorized access. Once the PIN code is set, the device will prompt you to create a recovery phrase, which is a list of 24 words used to restore the device in case it is lost or stolen. Write down the recovery phrase and store it in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure wallet. Never share the recovery phrase with anyone or store it on an online platform. After setting up the device, you can install cryptocurrency applications, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin, using the Ledger Live application. To install an application, select the cryptocurrency you want to use. Then click the Install button. The application will be installed on the device, and you can manage your cryptocurrency portfolio using the Ledger Live application. To send or receive cryptocurrency, navigate to the Accounts menu in the Ledger Live application. Select the cryptocurrency you want to use, and click the Send or Receive button. Enter the recipient's address or scan the QR code. Then confirm the transaction on the Ledger Nano S Plus device. The device will prompt you to verify the transaction details, including the amount and recipient's address, before confirming the transaction. Best practices for using the Ledger Nano S Plus include keeping the device and recovery phrase in a secure location, using a strong PIN code, and regularly updating the device firmware to ensure you have the latest security patches. Additionally, always verify the transaction details before confirming a transaction, and never share your recovery phrase or PIN code with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely manage your cryptocurrency portfolio using the Ledger Nano S Plus crypto hardware wallet.